Hi guys, it's Jeff at Slayton's Racing. I want to show you a new product we just got in from Motion Pro. It's their 5/16 universal hose kit. And this kit is for fixing solutions when you're installing like a larger tank, or maybe you don't like the stock routing of the fuel line, or you're installing a larger, kind of a bulky fuel filter, or whatever the reason is. This just gives you a lot more options. So with a straight fuel line, and if you try to bend it too much, you'll get a kink in it. And this kit is not designed to be used as a whole piece like this. It's designed to be cut up. So if you're in a situation where you want a 90-degree bend, your hose is kinking on you and you just need a 90-degree bend, well then you'd cut a section of this out. So you'd cut a section, say, from here to here. If you wanted a milder bend, well then you'd cut a section out here, or you could also use this bend as well. And then you might need to connect that to a straight piece that you already have, or not, more likely not. But it does come with this fuel line barb if you want to connect it to another hose. It does not come with these clamps. I just wanted to show you. We do have these in stock. It does not come with this tool. We also have these in stock. We also have a less expensive version of this tool, I believe, on our site as well. These are Oettinger clamps made in Germany. They're my favorite clamp to use. I've been using them for a long time. There's definitely other clamps out there that work well too. I'm not a fan of using a screw-on type clamp, just your basic hose clamp, because they dig into the hose and damage it. They also typically have a section underneath the tightening part of it that will kind of bulk up, and sometimes they leak there. With a fuel injection system, which is what this is designed for, you got to be careful, because they've got 50 pounds of pressure. That's what the fuel pumps put out, and any little place where it's not got a perfect seal, it will leak. And this 5/16 diameter will fit on all the KTM, Husqvarna, and GasGas fuel injected models, the 2-strokes and the 4-strokes. It will also fit on the Adventure models. I'm pretty sure, I haven't checked, but I'm pretty sure it will fit on all the Japanese fuel injected bikes. I think everybody uses this 5/16 diameter. Actually, 5/16 is used on a lot of automotive applications as well. And these clamps are, like I said, are on our site, and what you need for this size hose is the 14.5 or the 15 millimeter. Either one of those work for this application. And I think it's just a great thing to have around for that time when you're, it never fails when you need something like that. So it's on a Saturday night and everything's closed and you're trying to ride the next day and you don't have a solution. I'm just going to keep this kit in my toolbox for when I'm doing something and I need it, especially putting on a different fuel tank. So guys, the only thing I don't like about this kit is the price. It's $24.99. I think that's kind of pricey. But I think if I need this at an inopportune moment, that I'll forget all about that price, and I'll be glad that I have it. And preformed hoses are a little more difficult to make than just a straight fuel line. Actually, they're a lot more difficult to make. So that's part of the price. Who knows why it's at the price point that it is, but to me that's kind of nickel dime. When you're in a bind, spending a few extra dollars usually doesn't mean much, especially when you're trying to go ride the next day. So hope this information helps you out, helps you make an informed decision. And please like us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube. Get out and ride for some throttle therapy, and I hope I see you out on the trails. That's all for now.